Happy Friday, and it will be a beautiful Friday at that. We end the work week on a great, bright, sunny note for a mild afternoon, and we look ahead to what will be a lovely weekend. But by next week, we're tracking cold weather along with our next chance at some snow. So we'll talk about that in a second, but for now, a few high clouds passing through the morning, what will ultimately be, I should say, a nice afternoon. Temperatures today climbing into the mid to upper 50s. We could even see a few low 60s. Our average high temperature at the airport is about 54, so slightly warmer than normal. Still a little on the cooler side for places like Lyman, where we're talking about temperatures not climbing out of the 40s. They're still trying to melt away some of that snow over there. And then up into the high country today, 40s and 50s. You look at Jefferson County neighborhoods, this is where we'll knock on the door of 60 degrees for places like Wheat Ridge, Lakeside, and Lakewood. Up into Golden today, 53. Aspen Park coming in at 50 this afternoon. You head over into Adams County, more 55s to 57s. Places like Commerce City getting to about 55, Brighton 53. But here's where we're a little cooler. Watkins, Bennett, and Strasburg only in the upper 40s today. Again, still seeing a lot of snow over there. We'll be mild and dry through the weekend with this big ridge of high pressure continuing to dominate our weather pattern. But by Saturday, we'll see this area of this low trough move in, and that's proximity to the high tightens our pressure gradient. As those two get closer, we talk about wind speeds increasing. So Saturday will be a little on the breezy side for us, but by Sunday we'll start to see those winds taper, and it should be a nice day on Sunday. Into the day Monday, we lift in some moisture, and this is how it all shapes up for you here on Futurecast. This takes you to Saturday afternoon. We're quiet, maybe a few high country flakes on Saturday, but not expecting a lot of accumulation or any accumulation really on most of our mountain areas. We'll see some light snow falling there, however. And then into Sunday, we start to lift in that precipitation. We'll talk about rain chances increasing through the afternoon on Monday, but mainly into eastern Colorado as that low tracks just off towards our east. Now, of course, we'll keep our eye on the track of that low, but as it does look to be east right now, we'll keep most of the moisture off until Tuesday, and then that's when we're talking cold temperatures and a chance at some snow pushing in. So certainly a much colder day in store for us Tuesday, but right now it looks like that all clears out Tuesday afternoon and into the evening, and we'll just stay cold going into the day on Wednesday. That's why we have those first alert weather days possible for you both Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday because of the cold and snow, and right now Wednesday just because it'll stay cold, 38 degrees, well below where we should normally be this time of year. But until then, beautiful weather, and we've got a lot of football this weekend. We have the Football Friday tonight. We have the Rams versus the Cowboys, that border war. And then by tomorrow, the Buffs play. Beautiful weather for that. Sunday, the Broncos play. Great weather for that as well. So a nice weekend in store. Get out and enjoy it, but keep our eye on what's coming for us Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.